finally, the camera details of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 has been released. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 will carry a similar array of cameras as its predecessors if the information provided by Frontron is to be believed. The major innovation here will be the use of an under-display camera for the foldable display, a 16 megapixel Sony IMX-X71 with a 1 micrometer pixels, allowing for a seamless big display experience. There will be another selfie camera on the cover display, a 10 megapixel Sony IMX-374 with 1.22 micrometer pixels inside a punch hole cut out. The rest of the cameras are a trio 12 megapixel sensors, wide, ultra wide, and a telephoto units. The latter likely to be a 3x non-periscope zone. The rest of the expected Galaxy Z Fold 3 specs included the S Pen support, though they might not provide the S Pen with it, but you have to buy a separate one. So there will be no holster as well in the device, and they are also going to give the Snapdragon 888 chipset and a 4400 mAh battery with 25-watt charging. That is a big charging power, which helps it to charge very fast, and an IP rating for some degree of water and dust protection. The display are rumored to be 6.2-inch outer display and a 7.5-inch unfolding inner display. Both are 120 Hz. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is expected to launch alongside the Z Flip 3 in August, and possibly the main flagship phone, that is the Galaxy S22, is going to be launched with them. And if you're going to wait for the upcoming phones and why you're going to buy this one, make sure to leave a comment below, and we will catch you on another video. Keep visiting Tigers Schooling.